make or buy decision, whether we should reduce those products at our factory. So again, it is a kind of managerial decision whether making those particular product is beneficial for us or to buying from outside will be beneficial for us. Try to understand. Again, as and when I'm teaching you cost accounting, I always take you to the ride of your canteen. And today also I'm going to take you there only. Suppose a canteen person who is running the canteen wanted to make the soft drink in canteen and buy the vada pav from outside. Will it be feasible business for them? Will it be going to give him any kind of profit? I hope you must have understood the logic of this question. I am a canteen owner, and which kind of product I should make at the canteen and which kind of product I should buy it from outside. So I've given you one example. Of course, the soft drink, the mineral water, which plantation got required huge kind of investment. I will never make those products in my canteen. I will rather buy those products for my canteen. Whereas if it is fried rice, it is sandwiches, it is, I mean, your idli, vada, sambar. Yes, that we will make it. Okay. So it's very, very important being a businessman to take a wise decision for the product which we want to make it in the office or which we want to buy from outside. Making sense? So now there is a question based on such kind of managerial decision whether to make or to buy from outside. So this question is based on that only. ABC Limited manufactures staplers. All the parts of staplers are manufactured by company except the metal base plate, which bought from Metal King and Company at a price of 300,000 plates. All sales are are in units, and these are expected to remain at same level. Metal Kings and Company have informed that they would increase the price of plate to 400 per thousand plate. So there is an increase of 100 per plate. ABC Limited has also uh, now received an offer to use Unity plate space and capacity, unutilized plant space capacity. It's thinking to use the same manufacturing as an alternative buying from Metal King and Company. So either to buy at 400 rupees or to manufacture at place, that is their managerial decision. ABC Limited has also received an offer to use the same unutilized plant space for annual rent of 5,000. So if we will buy, definitely I'm not going to get this 5,000 rupees. But if I'm not going to, sorry, if I'm going to buy, definitely I'm going to use another 5,000 rupees as the rent. And if I'm going to manufacture, then this 5,000 rupees will not be my income. The cost of department of ABC has following relevant data for self-manufacturing of 1 lakh plates, raw material 8,500, direct labor 8,000, variable overhead 10,500, general fixed overhead 14,000. You are required to advise the company by giving the detailed working reasoning as whether to buy the plate or manufacture them. Make a comparative study and tell me whether to make it in the factory or buy it from outside. Chalo, take your own time and get me the answer for this question. Very nice. Uh, you have tried with your own, and it shows that you are in the favor of making. Yes, absolutely right answer. If you will make, are you getting total cost as 41,000? And if I am buying, my cost is 49,000. Am I right? So always we will advise to go for making the plates at site rather than buying it from outside. Of course, most of the time you can compare your own example. If we are making a vegetable at home, I mean, almost similar taste, almost similar taste. I found many a times when paneer or something like is made at my place, paneer kadai and all, almost similar taste than getting it from hotel. But just see the cost difference. Have you ever realized there is huge difference of cost? It is not always advisable that company. That is why India is now going towards make in India. Okay, made in India. Then only you there will be, of course, yes, in all the respect. Yes, Nilufar, you are absolutely right. Even the quantity also matters a lot, and now no vegetables are available less than your 300 or something like that per plate, which is very costly. Okay, so now today again you will be doing the practice. These are all managerial decisions. That is why every day I am not giving lot many things. One thing we are going slowly and gradually to understand. So again for make and buy, now next all questions based on making or buying, I will be giving you as an assignment. I think this profitable attorney, that is for key factor. Key factor we will learn later on. Yeah, even question number 5 you can try. Whether we should continue with the existing machine or we should go for new machine. It is a kind of same make or buy. Huh? So question number 5 will be your assignment. Next, this offer wala we will see later on. Question number 5, then export order we will see later on. Yes, buy or make. After question number 5, question number 8. Okay, am I right? Number 8 will also be an assignment. I hope and I believe you are doing the previous assignments which has been given to you all. Okay, thank you. Number 8. No, this foreign offer we will see later on. That we will take it up next week. 10 we did during last lecture. Then. Yeah, product to be produced or not. to be pushed or not. After that, 5, 8, 12. Okay. These are the question of different sales mix. Hmm. Okay, this order wala we will see next time. Next time we will give the weightage to that. Yeah, whether to discontinue or to be after that question number 16. Okay, so these are four questions I think I have given you as an assignment. Question number 17, dropping of product. This is all same, make or buy. Sales mix we did. So five question I have given you as an assignment. Again, sales mix we did. These five questions you kindly do it by next week. This acceptance or rejection will be next week assignment. Sales mix we did. That's it. So only these five questions I am giving you as an assignment. Yes, kindly do it. Okay, it is either make or buy the product or dropping the product or discontinuing that machine. It is all similar kind of fundamentals. So in both you will compare and then you give your judgment whether to go about it or not. Am I clear to you all? So again we will meet next week Saturday. Thank you very much. Take care, be at home, be safe.